My first you have to split it.
Wait, say that again. Say it again.
And you have to split it. Hold the water in.
It's just gonna get more dry.
Oh my gosh. Me and Trigger really tried. You. Ew. You don't want to videotape that, Lexus. But you don't.
Y'all took the cinnamon challenge except us.
Don't think about it because you make me sad.
Lisa.
Can you see me? Yeah. Oh my.
Can we just do a little bit? Man,
Now we have to say.
Lisa.
No. I'll probably do that again.
Tad bit.
That's so disgusting. That's a little bitter. It's a little bitter though. No.
Now that was my sister's friend Deja taking the cinnamon challenge.
I take it. Still bitter.